There is something really bad happened to me right now. Actually, it was my fault, but I did not know it was a misunderstanding for me. Previously, you might know that there was some sort of problem. There are some sort of things going on with Fiverr, like Fiverr denying the funny gigs, and I was not sure that why they were doing that. As I still saw there were some of the gigs which were funny and which were like your message on gigs. So I was not sure why they were denying the gigs and what they want. Though in my first mail, on the replied mail, they said that to do skill works, but after that I saw a lot of gigs which were like on the funny list. So I was not sure what was going on with Fiverr. Yesterday I made two of my gigs in the funny category, though though because I saw that there were like a lot of funny gigs, and I was not sure that are these gigs are possible for here or not. Uh, I thought that Fiverr has by denying our gigs. I thought that Fiverr is taking a step to improve ourselves, like. Uh, we are going on and on with the same gigs with the same funny gig content, and they are just denying our gigs and pushing ourselves to move to the next level so that we can improve ourselves, and by that the Fiverr also improves themselves. I thought that was going on, so I made two of my funny gigs and published on the Fiverr. But there was a problem I was having with the sharing of the gigs, the sharing of the gig link, for which I contacted the customer service, Fiverr customer service. But later, few minutes later, I found my account getting deactivated, disabled. It was a huge shock for me. I had a lot of money in my account. I am jobless now. I need that money. I never thought that my account, that Fiverr will be denying all our gigs. So I was saving some amount of money in that Fiverr account. But after, when I saw that they were going to deny all our gigs, I was waiting for the pending money to get added, and just I will shift all the money to my bank account. But right now my account got deactivated. I don't know what to do. I had two to three orders that were on pending, and lots of money on pending, and I have a lot of money in my Fiverr account which were yet to be withdrawn. It was a total misunderstanding for me, as I didn't know that this sort of funny content are now illegal in Fiverr. I thought that Fiverr is denying our gigs so that to push ourselves into the next level, so that we make the contents in a more, that our production becomes uh, more good than our previous production. Push ourselves to make greater content and greater valuable content. That's what that is what I thought of. So I made two of the funny gigs, trying to be more good, trying to be more good in writing, describing our gigs, and trying to be more good in what I thought, that they were pushing ourselves to be more better than our previous gigs. So for that reason I published those gigs. But later I found, after getting my account disabled, I thought I got to know that this kind of funny content are now illegal in Fiverr. It is a total misunderstanding for me. I understand that they can change the rules and all, but I didn't know that these are not possible this kind of content are not possible over here. They have changed the policy on all. Fiverr, I'm really sorry for what I did. I need those money. I'm jobless now. I need those money, and I'm not going to make those kind of funny content on your website again. Please Fiverr activate my account. I really need the account and the money. It was a misunderstanding for me. I never did anything bad or I had any bad intention for the website. I always work for your website. It was a total misunderstanding for me. I didn't know about this kind of thing. I thought something else. Fire, please activate my account. I really need this kind of thing.